Hi guys, Baby Doge has got a couple of new things going on. So first of all, an exchange listing, and also there's a chance of a huge token burn. I mean, if they burn a lot of tokens, this would be great, and it could have a very positive impact on the token price, meaning that the token price could really take off. In this video, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail into those updates, and also I'm going to go through the price action. So looking at where the price currently is and where I believe it's going to go to, especially if they go ahead with a token burn. So if you like to support the channel, or you just like the content that I put out, whether you're invested in these tokens that I talk about or the stocks that I talk about, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. So the first thing is that on August 14th, Baby Doge got listed on the OKEX exchange. So looking at the OKEX website, so the cryptocurrency exchange with the most options, OKEX are a big cryptocurrency exchange. Under new assets, they've got Baby Doge /USDT. So that's the trading pair that they've been listed on. So the new listing of Baby Doge is ultimately good because more exposure for the token, and also more investors or possibly new investors will be able to invest into the token, ultimately raising the price of the token. So the second thing is that Baby Doge tweeted, "Retweet if you are ready for next burn." They're basically asking a lot of their followers, do you want the token to be burned? And more than 11,000 people have liked it, more than 11,000 people have retweeted, and there's almost 3,000 comments. So I guess a lot of people are wanting a burning of this token. They want this token to get burned because they know the implications of burning the token. As more tokens get burned, there's less tokens in circulation, which ultimately means that each token, actually the value of each token goes up. So this is ultimately good because as the value of each token goes up, the more people that invest in it, the more demand there is, the token is likely to pretty much take off. So if they do burn more tokens, this will be really good because the fact that they're burning the tokens, they're showing people that, look, they listen to people because they ask people to retweet, and over 11,000 people have retweeted. So over 11,000 people want the tokens to be burned. And also two, more investors will be seeing that, okay, more tokens have been burned, there's less in circulation, let's get in, especially with the price has been decreasing and they want to buy on the dip. So as they're buying on the dip, the price will start, as the demand goes up, as more people are buying on the dip, new investors or possibly investors who are already invested into the token start buying more because they'll see this is an opportunity, right? So this will ultimately increase the price. So definitely burning of the tokens would be a smart move from the team. So if I have a look at the chart of Baby Doge token, so looking at the 15-minute intraday chart, and as you can see, the price has pretty much been performing poorly. All right, there's been a huge bearish trend. The bears have even brought the price below the 200 period moving average, which is a long-term safety net. If the price is above the 200 period moving average, then on the long term, it's likely to be a bullish trend. But the fact that the price is below the 200 moving average on the intraday chart, this is kind of a bad sign, but the price has actually deviated quite far away from the 200 moving average. So I'm sort of expecting the price to revert back to the mean, especially seeing as the price right now is at a support. So a support at 1442. And as if you look closely, you can see there's some bullish pullback from the support. So this support is actually not just a support line, but it's a support zone. So the support zone is between 1442 and 1436. As you can see, when the price got within this support zone, there's been a lot of like bullish pullback. So the bears have tried to bring the price down, but there's been a lot of bullish activity. And as you can see, there's a hammer there. There's a bullish engulfing. And looking at this live, you can see that every time the bears try to bring the price within this support zone, there's actually a lot of pullback from that. So we'll see what the price does on the intraday chart, whether or not this support zone is strong enough to keep the price above it, and not just above it, but actually raise the price up. So if it raises the price up, I mean, there's a couple of resistances that it needs to get past. First of all, there's this resistance at 1463, which was initially a support, but the bears broke it. So technically speaking, now it's an untested resistance. So if the price gets above the 1463 resistance and stays above it, then I can really see the price getting to that 200 moving average to test it as a resistance. Before it gets to 200 moving average, it's got another resistance at 1496. So it's got pretty much on the intraday chart, it's got quite a lot of resistances to overcome. And right now there's a lot happening on the intraday chart. So if we move on to the daily chart, and as we can see, the 1442 support, or the 1442 and 1436 support zone coincides with a daily support. So the daily support is actually when the price came back down here, there was a huge bullish engulfing pattern. So right now it's just a waiting game, first of all, to see if the resistances get broken on the intraday and the price moves up, or if that support zone is weak and gets broken by the bears. So if the support zone on the intraday chart, so the support zone between 1442 and 1436 get broken and the price stays below it, then I can see the price heading down to this support at 1159. So guys, always remember, do your background research, understand the kind of investment that you're getting yourself into or you've already gotten yourself into. I always preach this on this channel. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads, especially if you're invested in Baby Doge token or any other cryptos that I talk about on this channel, or even stocks that I talk about on this channel. And also hit that like button so I know this is the kind of content you like to see. And also comment below, let me know your thoughts on Baby Doge coin. Are you invested in it? Are you thinking about investing in it? Or even just comment below, let me know if you love the token or not. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.